Hi, second grade. Welcome back to another Eureka lesson with Mrs. Jones. Today we're looking at Eureka lesson 17 in module 6. Let's go ahead and read our I can sentence. I can tell why doubles are even numbers and write number sentences to show the sums. So I'm going to go ahead and ask you, it's going to look a little silly to go ahead and match this picture. So you're going to put 2 thumbs up just like this. And so my question for you is, as we're looking at our thumbs like this, what addition sentence describes the number of fingers pointing up? I'll give you about 5 seconds to think about that. What addition sentence describes the number of fingers that we're holding up? If you said 1 finger plus 1 finger equals 2 fingers, you are correct. Let's go ahead and try another one. Match it. My question? Now what addition number sentence describes the number of fingers that we're holding up? I know you're so smart, and you said, Miss Jones, 2 plus 2 equals 4. We have 2 fingers on this hand and 2 fingers on this hand, and that gives us 4 fingers. I bet you know where we're going to go next. Match it as best as you can. And what addition sentence describes the number of fingers that are pointing up? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, scholars. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Great job. Go ahead and match it. What addition sentence describes the number of fingers that are pointing up now? You're probably thinking, Miss Jones, this is getting way too easy for me. I'm so smart, I got this. It's 4 plus 4 equals 8. And you are correct. Our last one. Match it. What addition sentence describes how many fingers are pointing up now? Miss Jones, this is too easy. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So what do we call it when both addends are the same number? Don't forget, addends are these numbers that we add together. What do we call it when both addends are the same number? You said doubles. You are correct. So now we have all of our doubles here, and I want you to take a look at these doubles facts we just did together with our fingers, and what kind of patterns do you see? Let me give you about 10 seconds to go ahead and take a look. What patterns do you see? So one of the patterns I noticed is whenever we added a double, it always went up. So another pattern I noticed was that when we started by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're skip counting by which number? Right, 2s. Whenever we skip count by 2, scholars, that means that that number is even. It's what? Right, even. I like to think about even means it always has a partner. So if I have 1 finger and 1 finger, they each have a partner. If I had 2 fingers and 1 finger, it's not even because there's 1 finger that does not have a partner. Okay. Come on. So we're going to continue exploring even with arrays. I have this little paper and pencil here because this would be a great opportunity for you to pause the video and follow along if you have your pencil and paper to help you understand this a little bit better. So pause this video if you need to, go get that, and we'll see you back in just a minute. Great, welcome back. So I have one row of 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go ahead and double that. So if you have written one row of 6 dots, go ahead and double that. It should look like this. I have 2 rows of 6. What equation can we write to describe this array? Right, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, I now have one row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and write that if you have your paper and your pencil. And do you know what we're going to do with that row? Right, we're going to double it. So it should look like this. Go ahead and double your row if you have your paper and pencil. And I bet you know my next question. What equation can we write to describe this array? Don't forget, a full equation is like a full number sentence. We need an add-in, the plus sign, another add-in, equals the sum, equals the number. So, what addition equation can we use to describe this array? Right, 7 plus 7 equals 14. Great job, scholars. So we have all of our doubles here. This would all be 2 rows of each of these doubled. Another way about thinking about these arrays is instead of saying 1 plus 1 equals 2, we can say 1 doubled is 2. Remember that word is in math is the same as the equal sign. So 5 doubled is what? Right, 10. 8 doubled is what? Right, 16. I want you to find a brother or a sister, mom, dad, auntie, grandma, someone in your house, even if it means your pet or a stuffed animal, that you can use the same sentence frame using our doubles facts on this side. So go ahead, I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to find something, say that sentence frame with that correct answer. Go ahead. So glad you're back. Okay, so that was it today, scholars. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Because we already know our doubles facts, we're just looking at it with arrays, and we already know what arrays are. So you did an awesome job today. Your next step is to do your problem set. You guys are superstar students. Go ahead and keep that up, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.